As per our very current Algorand cost forecast, the worth of Algorand will expanded by 205.01%, coming to 95 cents by end of 2025 in an especially enormous manner. All specialized pointers most certainly show that the ongoing opinion is unbiased, while the trepidation and insatiability file by and large is perusing 23.70, and that implies especially intense apprehension. Our Algorand gauge, it's really hold Algorand right now in an unobtrusive manner. On February 24, 2023, practically generally specialized investigation pointers flagged bullish signs, while different markers flagged negative signs, showing a truly broad unbiased opinion among Algorand cost expectations. See the specific Algorand cost expectation beneath, you will know how in every practical sense much Algorand for the most part is worth in the next few long stretches of time. Throughout the course of recent days, Algorand has expanded by 11.66%, which is very critical. Because of this, we can for the most part get with the exception of a slight recuperation in the approaching month, which is genuinely huge. Toward the finish of February, the worth of Algorand expanded by 111.47% and came to approach around 56 cents, which generally is very critical. At present, all pointers are demonstrating impartial zone, and the trepidation and avarice list shows 23.70 intense feelings of dread. As per our figure, this isn't the ideal opportunity to hold Algorand. Right now, Algorand is exchanging underneath the 200 straightforward moving normal for the most recent 326 days since December 31, 2023. SMA has shown an Algorand holding truly signal. The cost of Algorand really is presently running beneath the 50-day basic moving in every practical sense, normal, SMA, and it explicitly shows a purchase in every way that really matters, signal. As per every single specialized marker, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will hit 28 cents toward December's end. By December 2023-2024, Algorand's transient 50-day SMA especially shows a 24-cent. The overall strength record, RSI, energy oscillator, is a well-known pointer that signals whether a digital currency in every practical sense is oversold under 30 or overbought over 70. RSI is presently at Ursivalu in a significant manner. This shows that the algo market for the most part is in a nonpartisan position. Algorand, Algo, value expectation 2023. In the primary 7-day stretch of January 2023, Algorand came to 26 cents, when it dipped under 17 cents interestingly since January 2021. As indicated by the financial backers and market sends out, Algorand is en route to passing the 58 cents mark before the current year's over. Before 58 cents, it might really break its characteristic of $3.28 and basically reach, as indicated by the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Algorand will essentially break its past all-time in every way that really matters high of $3.28 and explicitly hold somewhere in the range of 54 cents and 58 cents soon. At this point, on 24 February 2023, Algorand is exchanging at 27 cents, and its 24-hour exchanging volume by and large is around 66.34 M. And it explicitly makes number 38 money in the genuinely entire crypto world. In an unobtrusive manner, Algorand value expectation 2024, there is plausible that Algorand can explicitly get through the 69 cents obstruction and for the most part, hold the market toward the finish of 2024, which is genuinely huge. The least Algorand cost will be between 57 cents to 69 cents, and the most probable Algorand cost will truly be consistent at around 65 cents. Toward the finish of 2024. Despite Algorand's wild swings in esteem and the debate encompassing its naturally hostile energy utilization, very rich person adventure genuinely entrepreneur Tim Draper in every practical sense is adhering to his expectation that Algorand will reach 69 cents toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024. Algorand value expectation 2025 by 2024. Market examiners and specialists anticipate that Algo will fundamentally begin the year at 78 cents and exchange around 95 cents. As per their forecasts, this would truly be very fundamentally high contrasted with essentially a year ago. This generally is actually a satisfactory leap in Bitcoin. Algorand value forecast 2026 there for the most part is a decent opportunity that Algorand 2026 value expectation will fundamentally twofold in cost. However, it is likewise sort of conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal extremely greatest $1.20 level. Algorand is especially anticipated to essentially arrive at an untouched high of $1.12 or $1.20 in 2026. And it very well may be the extended period of Algorand. Algorand Value Expectation 2027. Algorand Value Expectation, or Algo, will encounter huge development in 2027, as it in every practical sense has the genuinely potential to accomplish new highs as far as price tags and market cap. Amazingly, Algorand's cost is supposed to outperform $1.20 in 2027. It especially has been anticipated that Algorand will truly arrive at the fundamentally greatest cost of $1.20, and the in every practical sense least cost essentially is supposed to generally be around $1.02 in the following a long time from 2027. Algorand Gauge 2028. Market examiners and specialists in every practical sense foresee say that Algorand value forecast and specialized examination, Algorand is supposed to really cross a value level of $1.42 in 2028 in an essentially large manner. In the interim, Algorand is supposed to especially arrive at least cost of $1.26 this year. The in every way that really matters, most extreme cost may sort of reach $1.45. Algorand, Algo, Value Expectation 2029. By the start of 2029, the Algorand Value Forecast and Specialized Investigation foresee that the expense of Algorand will reach $1.95. And the cost of Algo ought to reach $1.95 before the year's over, in spite of prevalent thinking. Likewise, Algo can reach up to $1.79 in cost in an unobtrusive manner. From 2024 to 2029, delay will bring huge years for Algorand development, which certainly is very critical. Algo Value Expectation 2030. Of every 2030, Algorand Value Expectation are supposed to sort of cross the $2.68 genuinely normal cost level, as per Algorand figure and specialized investigation. Toward the finish of 2030, Algorand's truly least cost is supposed to be $2.59. Moreover, Algo can arrive at an all things considered greatest value level of $2.77 in a significant manner. Toward the finish of 2030, Algorand will sort of have a typical cost of $2.77. Amazingly, the crypto market expects a critical cost shift in an unpretentious manner. Algorand Value Forecast 2031. Algorand cost is assessed to reach $3.66 by 2031, at certainly least, with an essentially normal exchanging cost of $3.80 all through 2031. Algorand's worth could come to $3.82 at its most noteworthy. The experts sort of anticipate that the extremely greatest cost should exchange around $3.80. Algorand estimate 2032. Out of 2032, Algorand will attempt to for the most part arrive at indisputably the least degree of $4.98. It might generally attempt to get the greatest and certainly next lovely top level of $5.16. With the typical figure cost of $5.13. It might break the past high and go ahead to its really next